I can't tell you how far away I was from being interested in a relationship. Or, in any form of commitment. Or, any version of an entanglement. After years of jumping from one relationship to another, I was finally free. I had no interest in sharing a life I had just found. When he told me, very directly, that he was interested in me, my answer was that from every possible angle it was a terrible idea. I walked away. The very first time I felt his body against mine, what I blurted out was, "I am in so much trouble." After that, what I told myself was that this was an anomaly I could manage. If I didn't get attached. If I didn't get involved. If I kept things under control. How hard could it be? I didn't want any of the things he couldn't offer me. But then I thought of him all the time. What was I supposed to do with all this thinking? I had many other things going on, a full life, yet his existence began to feel like an unintended center of gravity. How? How, if the center of gravity was me? I had to learn every day how to hold things loosely. How to love something that would never be mine, not just because it couldn't, but because I didn't want it to be. I had to learn how to carry things around that I wanted to say but never got a chance to. I'd make notes only to find them obsolete a day or two later. In my dreams I would walk into dark, empty rooms littered with crumpled sheets of white-lined paper. I had to learn how to stop being so afraid. If I could go back and change the course of that no-name thing, I would not. Most of all because opening myself up to that experience with earnestness, with my whole heart, expressing what I was feeling as clearly as I knew how, was one of the bravest things I'd ever done. What I do want to say is that if you ever tell yourself, we can be friends with benefits and not love, or, we can see other people but not get attached, or, I can take part in this without getting emotionally involved, I would tell you this: be careful. Be careful, because the fact is our hearts are not governable.